Blackpool, and we're almost there. 35 miles to go to where we'll be staying in Blackpool, and so we're gonna meet up David's dad and Lizzie, and yeah, we'll have fun there for 2 days, and I'll show you around. How's the drive, Mr. Habek?
Boring.
I know. Slow, boring. I drove for like an hour, and was it an hour and a half, and then we exchanged. Yeah, it's tiring. It was my first time driving in a motorway, and oh my god, it was not. I was on edge all the time because it's just 70 miles. It's 60 to 70 miles, and it's pretty scary for me.
What is that? About 110 kilometers an hour?
Yeah, probably. Yeah, but it's pretty scary because the road is just so fast, and it's like, yeah, it was my first time driving in a motorway, and it was a good experience. And what can you say about my driving?
Smooth.
Oh, that's really a good feedback coming from Mr.
I taught you.
Yeah. Well. Yeah, so it's quiet. It's a busy road because it's Tuesday. So yeah, but it's still early, around 10 a.m. But we're almost there. 34 minutes to go. Oh, we are here, and yeah, less than 2 miles now to the hotel, and super excited. And it's also in time because this is where we will have our wedding anniversary soon, next week, and just remember that this is where we spent our honeymoon as well. So yeah, it's actually really nice to visit Blackpool again. What do you think, Mr. Habek?
I've got nightmares already.
Riki ka dong. Chalang. Welcome to Blackpool. So room tour, guys. So this is what the hotel looks like. So as soon as you enter the door, there's this cabinet, small tiny one with a blower down there, and an iron board and an iron. There's also safe in there. Yeah, you can hang some of your clothes. And there's a table, and there's two sofa rather, and then here, and there's the Mayha guide. It's too hot outside and it's too cold outside. It's just that, all of that. And there's the view from the window. Yeah, there's that view from the window, and that's the toilet. The toilet is, oh, there's a bathtub, and then that's it. Pretty simple, basic, but it has everything that you need. There's tissue, there's hand and body lotion, there's all that. Yeah. And there's also a cabinet in here where it has everything. It has the coffee and the kettle, and you can make coffee. So yeah, pretty good. It really has everything. The room is small, but it has everything that you need. There's another cabinet and you can put something. There's a bag. The good thing though is it has an air condition, which is pretty good. Look at that, guys. This is the Blackpool Football Club Stadium. It's pretty cool, eh? Cool.
So, change outfit guys kasi ang lamig pala. Sobrang lamig. Ayan. So, at saka mahangin din. Kaya ayan, naka-jacket na po tayo at naka-sombrero kasi malamig. Pati si Dave, nilamig na. Ayan. So, dito na kami. I'll show you around. So there's a shopping center in Blackpool. Start. That's the North Pier, guys. So we're going to the North Pier. There's the train.
Printing special, they'll print anything on anything.
On the right side are hotels. There's the Palm Beach Hotel, the blue building, and there's the Imperial Hotel. Can you see it? That's the Imperial Hotel, guys. Big one. Yeah, that one. All the way through there. The red bricks building. Okay.
Sing again, Bev?
No.
You were singing
I
earlier.
don't sing.
Come on.
I've never sung in my life.
Oh, give me a sample. Sample,
No.
sample. David, sample. Sing.
No. Delete now. For a minute. You want to buy something. No.
Blackpool Tower. We just finished the show. There. It's freezing cold in July here. How was your evening, Mr. Habek? It's freezing cold. And this is just July and it's freezing cold. How was it, Mr. Habek? It was good. Yeah, the show that we were was really good. Yeah. Who was your who was the best one for you? Michael Jackson. Oh, Michael Jackson. Michael Jackson. Yeah, the best. That was a good one. And how much did we pay for it? £22 something. 23.99 I guess. Yeah, 23.99. Oh, that was not bad. Yeah, we're walking back to the hotel and it's freezing cold. We took a tram so that it will not be too much walk from here to the hotel. So going back now. Thank you for watching till our next video. I can't hold my phone anymore, it's too cold. I have to end the video here. Thank you guys.